Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
In the city of Qom, her light still shines, a daughter of truth from the prophet's line, sister of Reda, so pure and wise, with love for Allah that touched the skies. She left Medina with hope and grace, longing her brother's sacred embrace. Through lands of hardship her caravan passed, till sorrow struck her heart at last. In Safe's land she bore deep pain, yet from her lips came no complaint. Qom welcomed her with arms so wide, and there she chose at last to reside. Her shrine stands tall, a guiding flame, where seekers pray in her pure name. O Lady of Qom, so KAZSCHOOL.